Now in this part I'll be creating a scene in section. So let's go to Elementor, and before creating that section, add some spacing at the bottom. Under the gallery item, I would like to add margin, not margin, I'd like to add padding 80 pixel. Let's take a look. It looks perfect now. Now click here to create a new section as seen in well. So I can create one section. Inside the section I should take well, so first take a section here, then add inner section. Well, let's take a look how those image added here. Let's export this one to see. Well, it looks like this. So I think we can use simply as image here. We can also use it as gallery item here. There are many ways that you can use that image, but I would like to use gallery. It's a basic gallery and product gallery, so we can use, I think the column will be perfect. Let's inner section, change the section width something like this, duplicate. We can increase the width of this section and add image here. Click over here, upload the image, taste image, insert media, close this one. It looks great. Now go to the design again, and it should be more bigger. Let's export those image from here. Export. Well, I think it's enough, and upload all of them. I think there is another one, logo. I think it's, well, the last one. Finally, I have uploaded all of them. Now let's make it a little bit bigger and add them here. The second one, the third one. So I have escaped this alternative text at this moment because it takes much longer time. So this logo doesn't export perfectly here. No, because it looks like this. I'm not sure why it looks different here. Inside there is a shadow or something like, yes. Now I have to export this one again because I have exported accidentally with shadow. Well, let's upload again, delete this one. Now it looks perfect, and duplicate this one, upload the other logos here. Please feel free to ask me if you have any other questions, and also you can join my Facebook group, and also you can like my page, so that whenever I upload any new video or any new announcement, you can get them straightforward in your mobile devices. Not only mobile devices, you will be receiving on your other devices where you have logged in your Facebook account. So I have to add the title here. Now if I go to the as seen section, there is title, which is looks like this, as seen in, and under the title there is border. We can simply copy the above idea from here, paste it, and then copy the divider and paste it here. If I click over here, there is the background color a little bit different, fa, which is like this. Okay, and change the color, change padding, the top 80 pixel, the bottom 80 pixel. So I just add padding and margin. You might be asking that why I didn't measure the padding and margin, because I have designed this Figma file myself, and that's why I already know that how much margin and padding should I add here. So if you are working with any client project, then make sure you have adjust the margin and padding based on your client's requirements. So I should reduce this one a little bit here. 60 would be perfect. Now it looks like this, and it looks perfect. So there is another section which is newsletter sign up section, and we have already created this section. Now I'm going to export and import this section from home page. Let's go back to our home page and open this page in Elementor. I'm gonna close this one here. Scroll down, simply click over here. You can right click here and save as template, and make sure you have added a proper name here. Click save, and now we can use this template anywhere in our website. Let's take a look if is there any other similar template that I have to use on other pages. Well, there is another template which is from home page, which is this one, place where I have visited. Now save this one as a template and type here place where I have visited section. Close this one, and we are done. Now go to the About Me page and click on this template or the Elementor Add Template icon. Go to My Templates, and here you can see the newsletter sign up form is available. Now click Insert and Yes. So here you can see we have successfully added the newsletter sign up form inside our About Me page. It's very simple. Now click Update, and from here you can view the page. Now we have completed our About Me page.